What's up guys, welcome back here for a new video. Today it's a bit special because as you may know, in France we are in quarantine, so I can't go out to fly my drone, and civil aviation have restricted all the drone flight, even if it's just for training or for fun or not only for professional work. You can't fly a drone for now until this is fixed with the coronavirus. So it's a hard time for me because I really love to go out and I live close to the mountains, and I will ask the police if I can go to some fields because I live out of the cities, so I have a lot of empty field around my house. So I will ask them if I can just go to fly at low altitude with my FPV to do some training, but I think the answer is gonna be no. But I will try anyway. So today I choose to make a compilation of some of my best drone shots with my Mavic 2 Pro and my FPV drone. I would love to fly my Cineroop, but I can't build it for now because I need to wait for some part of it, the stack and the motors. I have everything ready for the build, but I need to have my motors and my stack, so I'm waiting for them from T-Motors and also from DJI, because I ordered some things on both websites. But you know, with this virus everything is a lot of more slow, so yeah, I'm waiting for all of this since the 2nd of March, so I will see. But I would love to build it first and then fly inside my house or in my garden, because you know, I live in a house, I have a garden, so I can complain. But for now I can't fly anything because I need to wait for this part to start the build. I hope you're gonna enjoy this compilation of some of my best drone shots with my Mavic and FPV drone, and I see you guys after the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like always, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below or DM me on Instagram. I will answer you with pleasure. And I hope this situation is gonna be fixed soon, because you know, it's really boring to stay at home and doing nothing. I would love to go out and fly my drones to make some videos, because I really love that. For now I'm just flying on the simulator to train my FPV skills, but you know, it's so much better in real life, and I have a lot of empty fields around me, so I would love to go there and just do some training. I respect the rules and no choice. Hope you guys are safe. I don't know the situation in your country, so leave me a comment below to tell me the situation in your cities. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to support my channel, hit that bell to receive the notification for the next video. Thank you guys, have a great day, stay safe, and I see you soon.